Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get into Lookout Landing Well. First, you'll want to locate the well entrance itself, which is quite central within Lookout Landing. It's usually found very close to the main shelter, making it easy to spot. Once you've found it, prepare for a short, straightforward descent. This initial step is crucial for beginning your exploration of the well's hidden depths and uncovering its secrets. After your initial descent, you'll find yourself in the upper chambers of the well. Take a moment to explore this first level thoroughly, keeping an eye out for any obvious pathways or useful items. It's wise to be aware of any minor enemies or environmental hazards that might be present. Remember to utilize your various abilities, such as lighting up dark corners or clearing small obstacles, to ensure a smooth progression through these initial sections. To delve further into the Lookout Landing Well, you'll need to discover the path to its deeper sections. This often involves searching for a hidden passage or a breakable wall that might be obscured. Pay close attention to subtle environmental clues, such as small cracks in the rock or unusual formations that stand out. Sometimes, a specific ability, like Ultra Hand to move objects or Ascend to reach higher ledges, will be essential for uncovering these hidden routes. Finally, continue your descent through any newly revealed passages until you reach the well's lowest point. Be prepared to overcome any final challenges you might encounter, which could include a small puzzle or perhaps a few stronger foes guarding the area. The very bottom of the well often holds valuable resources, such as rare materials, or serves as the location for a specific objective, making your journey well worth the effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.